Hey y'all, I thought I'd just make a short little video here. Um, First of all, I want to let y'all know that I do have another channel. It's Alf 270. I'll post a link down below or something to my new channel. That channel, I will not be putting content up on that channel. I'm just doing it for live streaming. So, if you're not interested in live stream chats and stuff like that, don't even bother subscribing because there's not going to be anything on that channel other than doing my live streaming. I will not be live streaming from this channel again anymore. At least I don't plan on it. Every time I live stream on this channel, I lose a bunch of subscribers. And I'll just keep live streaming over on another channel. No big deal. Anyway, the other reason why I'm making this video is I made a video, and I had originally planned on titling that video what Danny and Wanda from Deep South Homestead gave me. Well, in the process of starting that videos, it was very soon apparent that I was going to have to change the title to that video because the chickens were just all over me with this whole deal. You'll have to see the video. Anyway, so I went and changed the video name, and I uploaded it. And it's a long video, folks. It really is. But when I uploaded that video, I titled it The Agony of Free-Range Chickens. Well, guess what? YouTube yellow flagged it because I used the word agony. And actually, I was going to call it something else too. I don't remember. There was another word that I was going to use, but I knew they'd yellow flag it for that, so I changed it from that word. Well, the reason why I'm telling you this is I don't care about the yellow flags, folks. It's no big deal. Okay, I get a yellow flag, but of course I want some money, but it's no big deal. Some of y'all really need the money, and that's why I'm making this video. When I uploaded that video, and it was yellow flagged, I thought, okay, I would go through doing the editing, adding the cards and different stuff to it. And it showed that the channel was that the video was being demonetized. So I thought, well, I'll just change the title on it. And then I found out, I don't remember where I read it at, but somewhere I found out that if your channel, if your video is being yellow flagged because of your title, if you change the title, come up with another solution for a title, that within 24 hours they'll do the computer will do an automatic review, and if they like the new title, then they'll lift the yellow flag and go put it back to green. Then you can release it. Well, it didn't even take 24 hours. I named the video what Danny and Wanda from Deep South Homestead gave me, and a flock of nuisance chickens is what I titled the video. Before I got done putting in the cards and having everything all done, the video had already gone back to green just by changing it. So I just want you all to know that you can change the title, wait a spell before you release it, and it'll still be green and you'll get your AdSense money out of it. Let's see here. Was there something else I wanted to show you? Let's see or tell you about. Can't really oh yeah, there was one more thing here. Let me show you here. See all them white flowers? Can you tell me what those are? You know what? We've had those berries here for quite some time. We've had them here for quite some time, but this year the flowers they're flowering out in abundance. I might have enough to put in my ice cream. Those are thimble berries. And there's a bunch more around the corner, too. So anyway, I thought that was kind of cool. Anyway, folks, just remember, if the girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, yeah. Bye.